Hi, welcome. I'm Nicole. It's great to have you here today. And I have some filler ideas I'd like to share with you that will add color and fun to any Operation Christmas Child shoebox gift. Thank you again for joining me, and I will see you in just a minute.
Sweetie daily spreading the light, painting hope in boxes so bright.
So the first filler idea I would like to share with you today was actually an idea that came from Kelly on Kelly Kids YouTube channel. Kelly, if you're watching this is a fantastic idea. Her challenge for the month of March is to pack color-themed filler. And anyone who knows kids knows that kids love color. So this would be a great addition to your shoe boxes or to the shoe boxes at the processing center. And I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around so that you can see what I've been working on. So the first filler pack I have to share with you is themed red. And on the very top, there is this bookmark that says, "Rejoice in the Lord always," from Philippians 4:4. If you like this bookmark and you'd like to use it for your own shoe boxes, you can go to sweetteadaily.com and you can download it from there. I punched a hole in it and I attached a ribbon. And to attach the ribbon, I just glued these two pieces here of ribbon together with just a dollop of hot glue. And I have colors, all different colors of this bookmark that you can download. Next, there is this tanagram that I found, and I put it in a clear plastic bag and then put it in this red organza bag to go with the theme. I really liked looking at all the pretty colors of the tanagram, and I thought that it went with the rainbow theme really well. They come like this from Amazon, and they're actually pretty good quality. They are a little on the small side, but I think they're pretty neat. Next, I have these pencils for the child. I have 5 regular pencils, and then there is a rainbow color colored pencil that has several different colors in one pencil. In this package, there are erasers and 2 pencil sharpeners, a rainbow gel pen, and this up here is a little fidget ring that spins. Here's one that I can show you that's out of the package. You just spin it. Isn't that fun? Next is this little notebook. It's a little lined mini notebook, and I have one in every color of the rainbow. A red car, a little pocket teddy bear with a red bow, and a composition book that says "Jesus loves you." I have these labels available on my website. If you would like to print them off and use them for your own shoe boxes, I printed it off on sticker paper or a label paper, and that way you can just print it and stick it right on your notebook. And then last, I have this drawstring book bag for them. Okay, so here is an overview of all of the items just to give you a better idea. The next filler pack I'd like to share with you are for girls aged 2 to 4, and they feature Play-Doh, a little teddy bear, and a little coloring book and some colors. And I will take it out of the package so that you can see the rest of the items. Okay, so this play pack is for a girl who's 2 to 4. And here we have some Play-Doh for her, and a little cat cookie cutter she can cut her Play-Doh out with, a rolling pin, this little pocket teddy bear, This is a dry erase marker. And this is a Jesus Loves Me coloring book with a little tiny set of crayons. There's like 4 crayons in there. And this is a little note not to eat the Play-Doh. You can download this on sweettdaily.com. And this is a Play-Doh mat that I made. I cut it out from vinyl tablecloth. It's soft on this side and it's vinyl on this side, and it has a pretty good weight to it. And then, and I used, sorry for the crinkling, for a template, I used this piece of parchment paper that comes in this size. So, or you could probably use a cookie sheet, but I thought the size of a cookie sheet would be really great to roll Play-Doh. And I also have this little Play-Doh mat where she can decorate the flower and the butterfly or the dinosaur with some Play-Doh, or she can use, sorry about that, can use her dry erase marker and color on it that way. I labeled it Girl 2 to 4, this little confetti circle label, which you can download from sweettdaily.com, and you can use it for your own filler packs. The next filler idea I have to share with you came from an idea I got from Denise on Denise Rogers' YouTube channel. In her video, she demonstrated how to put on wrapping paper on a toilet paper tube to make it look more festive. Well, I got to thinking about how much fun it would be for a child to decorate their own cardboard tube. So here I have a cardboard tube that I just got. They're craft tubes that I got off of Amazon. You slide this off, and inside there is this little sticker sheet where the child can decorate the tube with some of the stickers, because there's plenty of stickers on this sheet for both the animal on the page and also for a tube. And I have also included this little picture so that they will know what to do with the stickers. And I also taped on a couple pencils and 2 eraser caps. And that's about all I could include and get it to fit inside this tube here. Anyway, I'm hoping that the child will enjoy playing with their new craft. Okay, so now I'm going to work backwards so that you can see how I put this together. At Party City, they have these very cute little astronaut pens that were on sale. And I had some of these space-themed slap bracelets. So what I did was I attached the little pen to this piece of paper that I'm going to roll up. Let me see if I can do this tightly. Okay. Okay, after you've gotten it rolled up, okay, so after you've gotten it rolled up, you're going to take your slap bracelet and make sure that it's really tight. This could be a really fun project for kids. And then all you're going to do is take a piece of tape and attach it like that. And there you go. It's all ready to go. Well, friends, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. May God bless you and your shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Colors bright and messages bold. in our hands, His story told. Gifts wrapped in